What is up, everyone? We are here today at the National Football Museum in Manchester, ready for the Umbraco UK Partner Summit. This is our annual event. We have it once a year for all of our fantastic partners in the UK. I think this one is probably one of our most exciting yet, and I can't wait to speak to some of our amazing partners and show you all of that later. Let's go in. Rebecca, why did you come to the Umbraco Partner Summit today?
Really to learn more about Umbraco partners, find out about what the partners are doing.
It's always a really good opportunity to come and network with other agencies and speak to other people in the Umbraco community as well.
Obviously, there's been so much happening.
Yeah.
What's been the highlight of the event for you today?
I think just I've always known the sort of concept of the community, but really understanding that has really come through today.
Definitely the compose element, that looks amazing.
The thing that I am absolutely buzzing around is the MCP usage.
For us, it's always going to be what's the new product stuff that's coming down the line from Umbraco, because that's what gets us really excited, because that means, we can kind of start to play with that new technology and really work out how we can use that to deliver the best value for our clients.
And I'm actually going to switch up the last question.
Go on then.
What advice would you give to a new developer or agency who is getting involved in the world of Umbraco?
Lean on the people around you, because nobody's guarded. Everyone's really open to sharing knowledge, to helping point you in the right direction. Both at Umbraco HQ, but also in the ecosystem. Everyone's incredible for stuff like that.
Awesome. Well, it's been good.
Do I get to smack?
Come on. What a day. It has been an absolutely unreal day. The Umbraco Partner Summit UK. I think Matt, our CEO, loves to say raise the bar. I think we really raised the bar with this one. And now we're down to sixes. A little bit of social cricket. I'm terrible. Let's see how some of the others are.